Hello, what is up guys? Alexa Rivera here from my Tech Inspected Extras channel. Today we're doing a sort of unscripted, just a top-down camera unboxing of the Realme C3, the new budget gaming smartphone from Realme. It's got a Helio P70 processor, sort of like a downclocked G70 processor downclocked G90, which is sort of a good gaming processor for a good budget price. This is on my extras channel, particularly because we're going to do a formal impressions video on my main channel, Tech Inspected. So subscribe to Tech Inspected, but this is going to be a simple unboxing, top-down unboxing, just a generic what's inside the box. If you want to watch the impressions with sample photos, the benchmarks and gaming benchmarks and whatnot, you should subscribe to Tech Inspected main channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take this out of the box, and then that's when I will do, record my impressions and take photos outside. Hello, okay, so this is the Realme C3 box, and it's a very orangey yellow box, and let's get that in focus. C3 Realme. There's a little bit of dirt on my box. I don't know what that is. Here are some of the information on the back. We got the frozen blue, AI triple camera, 5,000 milliamp hour battery, Helio G70 processor, 6.5-inch full screen display. So nice looking box. Let's get the cutter in. There we go. Destroying the plastic. Okay. And then let's open the box. There really is some dirt in my box. There you go. That's funny, dirt in my box. Dirt in my box. Hey, welcome to the Realme family, Realme. Okay, so open this. We got let's embrace a new journey. And then we have the SIM ejector tool. Then what's inside here, we have a Realme quick guide. Focus. Focus. Realme quick guide. And important information guide. Okay. Inside that, we have the phone itself. Take out the protective plastic. It says here, warning, has triple SIM slots. Triple slot, not triple SIM slots. Okay, take it out of the plastic. Very strong adhesive on that sticker. And there's the phone. Ooh, nice sunlight design. Let's get this sticker out. Go. Yeah. Phone right there. Turn it on. Oh no, that's my shot of my camera. Focus again, camera. Yeah, there we go. LCD HD plus display. Triple camera, 12-2-2. So 12 megapixel main, 2 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. And cardboard. Then we have the USB. Let's do the effort of taking it out of the plastic here. So this is a USB Type A, USB Type A to Type Micro. There you go. Boom, that focus though, eh? Oh, my camera's saying it's overheating. Okay, and then our charger in a plastic thing. Huh. Protective plastic thing charger. There you go. This is a 5 volts 2 amps, so 10-watt charger, I think is what it means. And that's it for the box. Okay, so that is our unboxing. Realme, get in focus, boy. Get in focus, boy. So 3 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, if I'm not mistaken. That is it for our quick unboxing. We will be doing the first impressions on my main channel, 3 gig 32. So pricing information on this phone is not yet available. They're saying it's probably very, very affordable, like maybe more affordable than the Realme 5i, or maybe just around there. So yeah, that is our literal unboxing of the Realme C3. And then please subscribe to the Extras channel for more of this Extras content. And also please subscribe to our main channel, because that's where we will be testing the camera, show you the camera samples, testing the gaming capabilities, and testing the benchmark. So like I said, this is the Extras channel. That's why you only get this kind of content, the Extras content. We will be providing you with, like I said, samples, selfies, stuff like that on the main channel. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.